Welcome to the permutation and combination part 4, and here we'll study the algebra of factorials. So what is factorials? So little bit we have learned this. Suppose factorial 5 is there. Factorial 5 is 5 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what is factorial 4? Factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means is equal to this factorial 4. And what is factorial 3? Factorial 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. So this is equal to 4 into factorial 3. So this you put here. So it will be 5 into 4 into factorial 3. So what will be the factorial 1? Factorial 1 is 1 and factorial 0. Factorial 0 is also 1. Factorial negative is not defined. So from above we can write this formula because this is n and this is n minus 1. This is n and this is n minus 1. So first formula is factorial n is equal to n into factorial n minus 1. So this is first formula. Now come to the second formula. Second formula from here. So this is n minus 1 and this is n minus 2 factorial. But if n is equal to 1, then it will be this one 1, this is 0 and this is minus 1. So minus 1 is not defined. So it should be greater than 1. So if n is greater than 1, then factorial n is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So similarly, this one also, if n is greater than 2, then factorial n is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, and the factorial n minus 3. If m and n is always divisible by factorial m, it has to be because factorial m into factorial n is equal to m minus 1 3 to 1 into factorial n divided by factorial n. So n so it will factorial is divided by factorial n or factorial m both. So this is divisible by 3 and 4 as well. Correct. This is all this formula is same. Factorial m plus n is not equal to factorial m. Factorial m multiplied by factorial m is not equal to factorial n. Factorial m minus not equal to factorial m minus factorial n. Factorial m divided by factorial n equal to not divided by factorial m factorial. So these are all there. So these are the algebra of factorial. Now we'll solve some question on that. Now we will solve some question based on factorial. So what is the factorial 6? Factorial 6 that we have already studied little bit, but here we'll do one thing. So factorial 6 is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60, 120, 126, 720. So that 7 minus 3 factorial is not equal to 7 minus 3 factorial is 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 4 into 1. That is 24. Factorial 7 means 720 into 6 minus 6. 720 into 7. So take 6 common. 5 is 2. This is not equal to this one. Right. Now come to the question number 3. If n is equal to, find n if factorial n plus 6 is equal to 56 into factorial n plus 4. So n plus 4. So this one is equal to n into n minus 1 into factorial n n plus sorry n plus 6 into n plus 5 factorial n plus 4 is equal to 56 into factorial n plus 4. So this get cancelled. Then this one is n plus 6 and n plus 5 is equal to 56. So this is continuous number. So continuous number. So this also you factorize in continuous number. So that is 8, 7. So that means this one is 8, this one is 7. So n plus 6 is equal to 8. So n is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to. So now you put it here and you see factorial 8 is equal to factorial 56 into factorial 6. So you can write 8 into 7 into factorial 6 equal to 56 into factorial 6. So 8 7 is 56. So this is satisfying. Now come to the last question. Last question. After that we will do exercise question. So here factorial 12 divided by factorial 5 into factorial, this you can write 6 and you can write 7 into 6. 7 is equal to 7 into factorial 6 plus factorial 12. Here you write 6 into factorial 5 into factorial 6. So you take common factorial 12, 12 to factorial 6 into factorial 5. So that will be 1 by 7 and plus 1 by 6. So now factorial 6, 12 into 6 and 7, 30 divided by 7 into real 6 and 6 into factorial 5. So this will be factorial 30 and this will be factorial 7 and this will be factorial 6. This is RHS code. These are very easy question, but for the sake of completion, we will do. This is taken from the exercise 3.2. So factorial 8. Factorial 8 means factorial 8 is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 2, 3 into 2 into 1. So we will calculate. This will be 40320. Factorial 10. So 10 into 9 into 40320. That we have taken this. This will be equal to 362 8800. Factorial 10. Factorial 10 is 3628800 minus 720. That is equal to 3628080. Factorial 10 minus, that is factorial 4. Factorial 4 is 24. So factorial 12 by factorial 6. That means 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into factorial 6 divided by factorial 6. That we to cancel. It will be 660, 665, 280. But here c is equal to factorial 2, that is equal to 2. So we are all, whatever the we have learnt earlier, that it is getting proved, because this one and this one is different. The factorial 3 is to do 6, factorial 6 is reverse 720. And factorial 3 is 3, factorial 3 is 3 to just 6, is 12. So this is also different. Factorial 9 by factorial 6 into 3. So factorial 9 is factorial 9 into 8 into 7 factorial 6 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 6. This will get cancelled, and 3 to just 6. So 3 into 2. So 3 3 just, so that is equal to 84. So factorial 6 minus 4. That means factorial 2, factorial 6. So factorial 6, so 6 into 5 into factorial 4 minus factorial 4 divided by factorial 4. Take factorial 4 comma 30 minus 1 divided by factorial 4. So it will get cancelled. That is 29. This is factorial 8. So factorial 8. So that means factorial 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 divided by factorial 6 into 5 into factorial 4 minus factorial 4. So you take factorial 4 and that get cancelled. So 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 divided by 30 minus 1 is 29. So 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 divided by 29. We will calculate, then we will get 57.93. Factorial 8 divided by factorial, so factorial 8 divided by, this is factorial 2. That means 40320 divided by 2. That is equal to 20160. Here how you can write? So you multiply factorial 4, factorial 4 divided by factorial 4. So this will become factorial 10 divided by factorial 12. This is, take 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3 to the power 5 equal 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So that is 3 to the power 5 into factorial 5. 6, 7 into multiplied by factorial 5 divided by 5. So it will become factorial 9 divided by factorial 5. So here you take 5 to the power 4 comma, then here 1, here 2, here 3. Factorial 4 into 5 to the power 4. This is the answer. Now we'll solve few questions. That is, first evaluate factorial r factorial n minus r. Actually, this is called NCR also. That we'll learn later. So first we solve this one. So factorial 8 divided by factorial 6 into factorial 8 minus 2. So this will get cancelled, then it will become 8 and 7, and this is 4, because this one is factorial 2 to 4, 28. So one thing, This is called NCR. So this NC n minus R both will be same, because if you do this one, then this factorial n divided by factorial n minus R factorial n minus R. So that is equal to factorial n divided by factorial n minus R, and this is factorial R. Now come to the question number 2. So factorial 12 divided by factorial 12, 12 minus 12, that is 0. Factorial 0 1, and this will get cancelled, so this one is 1. That means NCN is equal to 1. Now come to the question number 3. 3 is factorial 15 divided by factorial 10, and factorial 10 15 minus 10, that is equal to factorial 5. So this will be equal to 15, 14, 12, 13, 20, 13, 12, and 11 divided by factorial 5. The factorial 5 is 5, 4, 3, 2. So 3, 3, 7. So if you calculate that, you will get 6435. 6435. Now come to the 4. That is this one, this one. So factorial 15. This will be 3003. Sorry, this will be equal to 3003. Factorial 15 divided by factorial 8 to factorial 7. So that is equal to 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 divided by 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 3, 3, 3, and that will be equal to 6435. 6435. So now come to the question number 5 first. Here you have to find the value of n. So here n divided by 8, 7, 6, 5 into factorial 4. We are solving question number 1, this one. So can be written here also 3, 6 into 5 into factorial 4 plus 1 by factorial 4. So you take factorial 4 common, and that will get cancelled. So that is equal to 11 by 10. 11 by 10 is equal to 5 to the 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 into n into 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5 to the 10, 4. So n is equal to 11 into 4 into 7 into 6. So that is equal to 1848. Now come to this question. So this is n divided by 6 into divided by factorial 6 equal to 4 into 8 into 7 into factorial 6 plus 3 by factorial 6. So this get cancelled and this one is 2. So n is equal to 1 by 40 plus 3. So that is equal to 43 by 40. 43 by 40. Now come to this question. Factorial 1 divided by factorial n is equal to 1 by factorial 4 plus 4 by 5 into factorial 4. So that is equal to 1 by factorial 4, 1 plus 4 by 5. This is minus, this is minus. So that is equal to 1 by factorial 4 into 1 by 5 minus 4, 1 by 5. So that is equal to factorial 5. So factorial n is equal to factorial 5. So n is equal to 5. Now come to the question number. Now come to the question number. This one. So n plus 1 factorial is equal to 42 into factorial n minus 1. So this can be written n plus 1 into n into factorial n minus 1 is equal to 42 into n minus 1. So this cancel. Now this is consecutive number. So 42 can be written as 7 into 6. So this is bigger and this is also bigger. So n plus 1 is equal to 7. So n is equal to 6. Now come to this one. So n plus factorial n plus 1, n plus 3 can be written as n plus 3 to n plus 2 is equal to 1 1 and factorial n plus 1 into 110 into factorial n plus 1. This will get cancelled. This is also consecutive number. So this factorize in consecutive number. So n plus 3 is n plus 3 11. So n is equal to 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. So here 8 is the answer. Now we'll be solving some new question, that is first. So here first, here we can write 17 minus n, 16 minus n and 15 minus n into factorial 14 minus n divided by factorial 14 minus n is equal to factorial 5. So this will get cancelled. This is 3 consecutive numbers. So let us 3 2. So 3 2 is 6. So this 3 consecutive number can be written as 6 5 into 4. So this is the biggest. So 17 minus 6 is equal to 6. 17 minus n is equal to 6. So n is equal to 17 minus 6. That is equal to 11. Now come to this question. Second, that is 15 minus n 14 minus n and factorial 13 minus n divided by factorial 13 minus n is equal to 12. So this get cancelled. This is 15 minus n into 14 minus n is equal to 4 into 3. So which one is bigger? 4 is definitely bigger. So 4 is bigger than 15 minus n is equal to 4. Then n is equal to 15 minus 4, that is equal to 11. So now come to the question number 3. 3. This is factorial n divided by factorial 3, factorial n minus 3 divided by factorial n divided by factorial 5 divided by factorial n minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3. So this get cancelled and this will go up. So factorial 5 into factorial n minus 5 divided by factorial 3 into factorial n minus 3 is equal to 5 by 3. So here you can write 5 by 4, or here let it be same, and the denominator part we can do is divided by factorial 3 into factorial 3. So this will cancel, and this you can write n minus 3 to n minus 4 and to factorial n minus 5. So this get cancelled. This is equal to 5 by 3. So this 5 will get cancelled, and this will be 4 into 3 is equal to n minus 3 and to n minus 4. This is also consecutive. So 4 will be n minus 3. 4 is equal to n minus 3. So n is equal to 7. So this is the question number 3. Now question number 4 will solve question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is factorial n divided by factorial 3, factorial n minus 3 divided by factorial n, factorial 5, factorial n minus 7 is equal to 1 by 6. This get cancelled. So now we'll solve it further. Factorial 5 into factorial n minus 7, so factorial 3 factorial n minus 3 is equal to 1 by 6. So 5 into 4 divided by into factorial 3 divided by factorial 3. This will get cancelled. So and here factorial n minus 7, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5 and n minus 6. So and into factorial n minus 7 is equal to 1 by 6. So factorial n minus 7 and minus 7 get cancelled. So n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4. So which one is bigger? So which one? This one is bigger. So n minus 3 is equal to 6. So n is equal to 9. Now come to the question number 5. So what is question number 5? Factorial 2n. Let write here. Factorial 2n divided by factorial 7 and factorial 2n minus 7 divided by factorial n divided by factorial n divided by factorial 4 factorial n minus 4 is equal to 24 divided by 1. So this is question number 5. 4 we have already solved. This was the question number 4. This is question number 4 and this is question number 5. Okay, so we can write it factorial 2n divided by factorial 7 factorial 2n minus 7 divided by factorial n divided by factorial 4 into factorial n minus 4 is equal to 24 by 1. So here what we can write? We can write 2n 2n minus 1 2n minus 2 2n minus 3 2n minus 4 2n minus 5 and 2n minus 6 divided by factorial 7, and here we can write factorial 4 here we can write n into n minus 1 to n minus 2 into n minus 3 into factorial n minus 4, or you could divide by factorial 4 is equal to 24 by 1. So this get cancelled and it will come 2. This get cancelled and become 2. This gets cancelled and becomes 7 into 6 into 5. This get cancelled and become 2, and this get cancelled and become 2. So this one become 2n minus 1 2n minus 3 and 2n minus 5, and here 24 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by how many 2? 1 2 3 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this 2 8, this become 3, and this is also 3. So this can be written as 3 into 7 and 3 7 9. So difference is 4. Here is difference is 4. So what is the difference between this and this? 2n minus 1, that is 4, and this one. See, 2n minus 3 minus 1. What is the difference? So difference is minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. Here difference is 4. So here 9 7 3 3 are 9 7 5. So here 9 into 7 into 5 can be written. So 9 into 7 into 5, and there is difference is 2. So here also is a difference is 2, that is 2n minus 1 will be equal to 9. So 2n will be 10, then n is equal to 5. Here we will solve two more questions that we have to show that this one. So how to show that? So you take this one left inside factorial n common, and factorial r minus 1 common, and factorial n minus r common. Choose any lesser that you take common. So that will become 1, and this is r, and plus 1 divided by this we have taken common, this is one more, so n minus r plus 1, that will be, so again factorial n divided by factorial n minus 1, factorial r minus 1, and factorial n minus r, and here r into n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1 plus r. So this get cancelled. So that will become n plus 1 and factorial n, that become factorial n plus 1, and here r and factorial r minus 1, that become factorial r, and this one n minus r and n minus r minus 1, so that become factorial n minus r plus 1. Proved. So this is the very important formula that we'll discuss later, but here you see this is called NCR and this is called NC n plus 1 minus r. So here or here you can write here n r minus n minus r minus 1 minus 1, that you can write. So, so that is equal to n plus 1 c n plus 1 minus r. So here one less is, suppose nc 7c4 is there and plus 7c3 is there, because r minus 1 is 1 less, So for 1 less, so it become 7 plus 1 8. See here which one is higher. So which one is higher? One you have to increase. N minus 1, n plus 1 minus r. So this you have to take. So this is 4. So NCR plus NC n minus r minus 1 is equal to NC n plus 1. Which one is higher? This one is higher. So n minus r. This is the answer. So increase also you can type 1CR plus NCR plus 1. So that is equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. So that will be the formula. So here 9C6 and plus 9C5. So that will be 10C6. So 10C6 is equal to factorial 10 divided by factorial 6 into factorial 4. So you remember this formula? Which one? NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to n plus c n plus 1 c r plus 1. This is the formula. Now we'll solve this question. So we have to show that the left hand side is equal to right side. So here you can write left hand side 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 4, come to 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1 divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, 3, 2, 1. So now this will get cancelled here. This will get cancelled 2. This will get cancelled 2. Similarly, here 2, 2, here 2. So how many 2's will be there? N 2's will be there. So 2 to the power n and remaining 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5. This 5 balance 3, 1. This is RHS proved. Now see the next question. So next question is first, 10th first. So this you can write 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 1 and 2 factorial 2n divided by factorial 2n. So 2n 2n get cancelled. So this will be the 2n plus 2 and 2n plus 1. Here factorial n plus 3 into n plus 2 into factorial n plus 1 divided by factor n square minus 4 into factorial n plus 1. So this will get cancelled. N plus 3 into n plus 2. This you can write n minus 2, n minus n plus 4, because a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So n plus 2, because this is 2 square. So this get cancelled. So answer will be n plus 3 divided by n minus 2. Now we will solve few more questions. One first, third. We can write n minus 1 and factorial n minus 2 as factorial n minus 1 into factorial n minus 2 minus 1 by factorial n minus. Now we take common factorial n minus 2 n into n minus 1 minus 1 we take n minus 1 and minus 1. So that will be n minus 2 we take n minus 1 common. So here n, here minus n, and here n into n minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by factorial n minus 2, 1 minus n minus n square plus n. So this get cancelled, divided by n into n minus 1. So that is equal to 1 minus n into 1 plus n. Same formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So 1 minus n square, 1 minus n square is this one, divided by n into n minus 1. So that is equal to into 1 by n minus 2. So n minus 2, n minus 1, this is equal to, and now we get this one cancel, is 1 n minus 1, this is 1 minus n, so this will become negative. So negative n plus 1 divided by n into factorial n minus 2 is the after simplification. Now another question is n factorial n minus 1 plus n square factorial n minus 1 plus factorial n plus 1. So here this is list. So you take n minus 1 common, factorial n minus 1 common. So here n minus 1, so this n into n minus 1 plus n, and plus this one n square on here n into n plus 1 into n, because n minus 1 we have already taken common. So factorial n minus 1 n square minus n plus n plus n square plus n square and plus n. So this get cancelled. So this is get cancelled. So this one is n square 3 n square. So factorial n minus 1 3n square plus n. So n minus 1 into n into 3n plus 1. This will be the answer. So this will be the answer. Thank you. This we have done some mistake. This will not be there. So this is n, and this will be n, and here n. So this will be n square. So this is not there. So n minus 1 factorial, n square, 3n square plus 2n, 3n square plus 2n. So n minus 1 into n 3n plus 2. So this will be the answer. Let me check once again. 3n plus 2. So 1n is also there. Yeah, this will be the answer. So n and this n minus 1 will become factorial n, 3n plus 2. So this is the answer. Thank you. Solve few more questions. That is, so here n plus 1. So that we can write n plus 2 divided by n 3n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into factorial n. This is also factorial. So you take common factorial n, that n plus 2 minus 3n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that is equal to 1 by factorial n square plus 3n plus 2 minus 3n plus 1 divided n plus 1. So this get cancelled. This one is n is equal to 1 by factorial n, and take n format n square plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Is the, and this we can write n square plus 1, and this n or this including to that, so that will become factorial n plus. So this is the simplification. Here you 1 by factorial n minus 1 plus 1 minus n divided by n plus 1 into n to factorial n minus 1. So now equal to 1 by n plus n plus 1 into n. This get cancelled and this you included to that. So that becomes n square plus 1 divided by factorial n plus 1. So this is the simplification. Now come to the question number. Next question. Here we take 1 by factorial n from that is 1 times 3 n plus 1 and minus n square minus 4. That is n plus 2 times n plus 1. N plus 2, this will get cancelled. So 1 minus 3 is cancelled. N plus 1 minus n plus 2 into n minus 2 divided by n plus 2 into n plus 1. This will get cancelled. Now you take n plus 1 format. N plus 1 LCM, then this will be n plus 1 minus 3 minus n plus 2. So this get cancelled. This factorial n is also there. So that will become 2 plus 3 minus 3. So that will be this will be plus square. This is 3. This will be become 0. Actually, this will be positive. Otherwise, it will become 0. If this is positive, then this will be 6 by factorial n plus 1. This will be positive. Now, last question. Last question. We take factorial n plus 1 common. So here n square minus 9 divided by n plus 3 into n plus 2 plus 6 divided by n plus 2 plus 1. Now this get cancelled, then n minus 3. So now 1 n plus 1 n plus 2 this is n minus 3 plus 6 plus n plus 2. Here 1 by factorial n plus 2 and here become here this is minus, so here it is minus n and minus 2. So minus n, this is get cancelled, and 5, 6, that is 1. So 1 got factorial n plus 2. Simplification. Simplify. So now this is the end of the chapter.